The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, stability control, tow hitch, lane departure warning, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.